Hello YouTube, Dylan here, and in today's video I am going to be teaching you all how to draw Mung Daal from the Cartoon Network series Chowder. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper, let's get started. We're going to start with his head and his neck, which is all in this long kind of circular shape. It's almost like a baseball bat or a hot dog shape, but there's no round end at the bottom. And then right below this shape, you're going to draw this kind of half sphere, which you start with a sideways oval and a half circle. That creates the sphere shape, the half sphere shape. And then you're going to draw kind of a square shape for his main body, or a rectangle. And then you put like a square underneath it. These are like his pants, or maybe apron, you might say. And then on the side here, we'll draw his arms. And remember to draw lightly at first, so that way when you make mistakes in the final piece, you can erase it real easily. Then here's his other arm. Then you're going to put a half oval right there. We're not going to put his hands in just yet. Then we'll just draw these two lines for the legs, and then just draw these little flat ovals for his feet. So we've got our basic building blocks of Mung Daal. Now it's time to draw his eyes. And his eyes are these basically large ovals. And then we need to darken them a little bit. And let's get the other eye as well. Need to put that little curve because that's where his nose will come in soon. And then he's wearing glasses, so we need to draw these moon shapes beside them. Black, shade them in black. And then right in the middle of them, you're going to put in his pupils. And they're going to all go like this. And then right beside them, you'll draw a square to indicate the rim of the glasses that goes over his ear. And then let's draw his nose next. Just draw this small slight curve first, and then you will draw this big oval. Well, it's not really an oval, but then it's gonna curve down. Okay, we got that down. Now we're going to darken in this nose. Let's make this bottom side a little straight. So there's his nose. And now we're gonna put in his eyebrows. And his eyebrows are very small. They're kind of these really small kind of egg shapes that tilt a little. Then you're gonna put the rest of the top of his head around like this. And then right here we'll draw his ear. So we'll start it as a kind of a skinny small oval. And then it goes around to a little bit like a big square. Like that. And then you draw the inside of his ear, which will be just a straight line going down to a C shape. And then, right out of it, then we need to put these kind of strands of hair that stick out like this. Okay, now we're gonna draw these kind of like horns, kind of like what elephants have, that stick out of their, on the sides of their mouths. It's gonna have a little bit of a curved tip, like that. And it gets really thick here. Okay, now, right here, you're gonna draw his teeth, which is gonna be a simple rectangle that's curved and follows the shape of his nose, like this. And then the teeth themselves. It's gonna be, there's gonna be 3 of them. So we draw 2 lines, 1 and 2. Then we gotta draw the other horn, but it's gonna be a little smaller because in a 3/4 view, one side is bigger and one side is smaller. Okay, now let's draw his mouth. We're gonna draw this big U shape that goes up here. And then here's the lower lip. We need to darken his mouth in. And then we gotta draw an upside down U for his tongue that goes like this. And then we can lightly shade his mouth in, not all the way black, because we're making it grayish. Sorry. And then we'll draw his lower lip, like this. Then right here, we're gonna put a little shadow underneath his lower lip. Then we'll draw the back side of his neck. Then we'll draw the inside of his shirt. And now we can get on to his clothes. Here's the upper space of his shirt collar. And then we'll draw one arm. Here's the side of his body. There's one sleeve. And let's get one side of his body right here. And let's get the other sleeve. And here's like the fold line of his sleeve. Then we're going to put that oval. And then we'll just draw his wrist. Then right here, you're going to put a little shadow inside it. Now, we need to draw his hands. And his hands will be these simple, almost like seashell shapes. So you just draw this curve and then you create one finger. He has 3 of them. Then here's the smaller one that goes like this. Like I said, it's kind of a seashell shape. And then right here, you'll draw the bottom part of his shirt. And then we got to do the other hand, but it's not going to be much of a shell shape. So you draw one finger. This one's got, no, that's probably his palm. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. Then we'll, right here, you'll bring that curve up to the main finger. And then we need to finish the rest of his clothes, so we'll draw a light line that goes down the middle, not too dark. And then we'll draw these small, tall ovals for for the buttons on his jacket. And then we need to draw his shorts. So we'll just finish up that. Those are his shorts. Then we have to draw his legs, which are really skinny and small. And then we'll draw, these are like his socks, and we shade them in. And put a little shadow up here. And then we need to draw his shoes. Just a simple curve. And then here's the other one, and it's going behind his other shoe. It's just like these, almost like peanut shapes. And now that we got most of the basic outlines done, you can get an eraser and get rid of some of the construction lines we put, like around his arms and his body, around his neck, and some in his hand as well, his skirt, and we got some sticking through his ears, some in his nose, his teeth, and some in his eye, and his eyebrows as well. And some in his lip. And there you go. That's pretty much Mung Daal, or Mung Daal. Write your name on it, hang it on your refrigerator, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and learning with me. If this helped you, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.